Chief Nyamandi Boni Togara Masunda is threatened to take action against one of his sabukos, Taiva Manjova, after the village head allegedly made politically sensitive comments that have sparked local controversy. Zanabina mashoko buda panguwa ino chinokonzi kuti sabhuku panguwa ino ari trouble zvakanyanya for disrespecting Mnangagwa. That was subscribe or like out on the bell like keep in touch with us. 18 September 2025. According to village sources, the uproar stems from the statement Majova made last month at a local business center suggesting that while ZANU-PF remains a noble party, urgent leadership renewal is needed. His comments were politically insensitive and they have caused unrest in the community, said a local elder who requested anonymity. He openly said that the party is good, but the leadership must be changed, and that touched a nerve among many villagers loyal to the current leadership. Chief Nyamandi has reportedly warned Manjova to tread carefully, saying that any further political interference or public statements could result in him being stripped of his post forever. Chief Nyamandi's aide dismissed claims that the matter was politically motivated. It's not a political issue. That's not true, the aide said. The issue are related to a lack of discipline and failure to respect the chief. This is about maintaining order and proper conduct in the village, not politics. The chief also addressed separate allegations concerning Manjova's conduct as a sabu. He faces accusations of selling village land to outsiders from as far as Kadomo, while denying land to locals born in the area. Once, resident claimed he refused to allocate land to me, even though I was born here, and there are many other social ills we are concerned about. Among these concerns, the chief's aide alleged that Manjova is allowed child marriages to occur in a church operating within the village, a matter Chief Nyamandi said would be dealt with in separate court. The chief's actions underscore growing tension between traditional leaders and the local authority as communities demand accountability both in political speech and in management of village affairs. Though much developments are kubuda panguwa inoi zviri kuitika aiwa panguwa inoi panhau dzepolitics kuri kuona kwakunzi munhu akamukriticize mutungamiri wenyika wotozwa kutoti kana une zvimwe zvawakamboita zvakashata zvotoadhiresiwa zvotobuda pachena zvakutoitiswa against you. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Ina comment section medu kudze mafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like us on the bell icon.